Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welder generators reviews. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, WEN Tri-Fuel Generator for gas. Think backup generators are only for emergencies? Think again, I'm a certified home power solutions expert. Many overlook the importance of fuel flexibility. What happens when your only fuel source runs out? That's why I recommend the WEN 14,500 watt Tri-Fuel Generator. It runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, your choice. Switch fuels instantly with a simple dial, no hassle. Electric start means power is just a key turn away. With up to 12 hours runtime, it outlasts long outages. Transfer switch ready, seamless backup for your whole home. Multiple outlets power everything from fridges to power tools. I've seen contractors and homeowners rely on this model. Its rugged design handles job sites and family camping alike. WEN's 3-year warranty and support give true peace of mind. Don't wait for the next outage. Secure reliable power now. Choose WEN's Tri-Fuel Generator for uninterrupted confidence. Number 4, meet the Generac GP9500E Tri-Fuel Generator, the Power Chameleon. Gasoline, propane, or natural gas, switch fuels faster than changing socks. 12,500 starting watts, 9,500 running watts, enough juice for a block party. Electric start means no more yanking cords like an angry lawnmower. Got a blackout? This generator runs up to 9.5 hours at half load. Co-Sensor technology sniffs out carbon monoxide like a detective dog. Covered outlets protect against rain, dust, and accidental coffee spills. Heavy-duty steel frame and never flat wheels, tougher than your in-laws. Fuel selector dial, switch fuels mid-run, no drama, no shutdowns. 500cc Generac OHV engine. Think of it as the muscle car of generators. Control panel loaded with outlets. Charge everything but your neighbor's Tesla. Perfect for homeowners, contractors, and RV travelers who hate darkness. Quiet operation. Won't drown out your victory dance during outages. 49 state compliant. Sorry, California, you're just too special. In emergencies, projects, or road trips, this generator never calls in sick. Generac GP9500E power, flexibility, and durability, like a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Number 3, TOMAHAWK 15 HP engine-driven portable. Need power and welding on site? Meet TOMAHAWK TWG210A. Imagine seamless welding and tool operation at remote job sites. 2 at 10 amps output, 60% duty cycle, built for demanding tasks. Stable inverter generator delivers precise, clean sine wave power. Weld 1/3, 1/4, or 3/8 inch with confidence. Run electric tools and weld. Simultaneously, no interruptions. Dual 120V outlets support multiple devices for efficiency. Digital voltmeter ensures accurate output monitoring every time. Easily set amperage with electronic reader and knob. Portable 15 HP design. Move effortlessly between job sites. Rugged wheel kit makes transport simple and fast. Professional contractors rely on TOMAHAWK for reliable performance. Upgrade your welding experience with stable, consistent power. Transform your workflow, save time, boost productivity. Ready for powerful, versatile welding anywhere. Get TOMAHAWK TWG210A. Weld, power, succeed. Order now. Number 2, meet the Westinghouse WEN 2000C, your home's superhero generator. 28,000 peak watts, enough to power a small village or your in-laws' RV. 20,000 running watts, keeps your AC, fridge, and party lights on. A 999C V-twin engine, think muscle car but for electricity. 17-gallon fuel tank, like a Camel, but for gasoline. Up to 17 hours runtime, outlasts your average Netflix binge. Remote electric start, start it up from your couch superhero style. Transfer switch ready, 1 cord, total house domination. Low THD, safe for your sensitive gadgets, even grandma's pacemaker. Copper windings, runs cooler, lasts longer, just like grandma's soup. CO sensor sniffs out danger, keeps your air safer than a watchdog. Heavy duty wheels, rolls smoother than your neighbor's new SUV. Multiple outlets, plug in everything but the kitchen sink, or maybe even that. VFT data center, real-time updates, because knowledge is power. Plug and play setup, oil, funnel, and guide included. No PhD required. 3-year warranty, backed by Westinghouse, so you can sleep easy. Number 1. Meet the CAMPBELL HAUSFELD 3-in-1 Powerhouse, your job site's Swiss Army knife. Compressor, generator, and welder. 3 tools, 1 beastly machine. Powered by the Honda GX390 engine, because your tools deserve a sports car. 5,000 watts of generator muscle, enough to power a small village. Or your site. 30-gallon air tank, like having lungs the size of a whale. Delivers 14 CFM at 90 PSI. Air for days, no heavy breathing required. Maximum 175 PSI, because your pneumatic tools like to flex too. 200A welder on board. Weld like Thor forging his hammer. Supports up to 188 DC stick welding. Seriously, bring on the metal. Dual voltage outlets, 120V and 240V. Power everything but your morning coffee. Truck mountable design, take it anywhere like a loyal workhorse. Built tough for contractors, tradespeople, and mobile repair heroes. No more juggling machines, this combo's got your back. Reliable, efficient, and ready for action, just like your favorite superhero. CAMPBELL HAUSFELD 3-in-1, the only job site sidekick you'll ever need. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.